I don't simply recommend uninstalling OneDrive because Windows can reinstall it automatically during a future update. Instead, I prefer disabling it completely by turning off backups, unlinking the account, preventing it from starting with Windows, and disabling its scheduled tasks as well. So in this video, I will show you exactly how, following these steps, you can completely remove OneDrive from your computer. So let's get started. First things first, in the taskbar below, you can see that there is a OneDrive icon. But if you can't find that icon, at just left to it, you will see a arrow pointing upward. If you click on it, you will see OneDrive icon there. But if you still can't find it, you can just click on this Windows icon and search here OneDrive, and the OneDrive app will pop up. Okay, so now I'm just going to cancel it, and since I have OneDrive here, I will right click on it. I will click on this icon, which is settings, and I'm going to click the first option of this bar, that is settings option. Okay, so now this OneDrive settings pop-up will show up, and in the first option at the left panel, I will click on sync and backup. There is an option here that is manage backup. Let's click on it, and you will see all the folders that the OneDrive is backing up. So I have already toggled off my rest of the folders before, but you might not have all the folders toggled off. You might have more than one folders toggled on. So what you need to do is one by one just disable all the folders that OneDrive is backing up. So let me just show you one for demonstration purpose. If I just click on it, it would ask for stop backing up videos folders. You will click on stop backup and choose where to keep the files. You will click only on my PC here and then click continue. So as you can see that it has stopped backing up my folders. So I will just click on OK. Okay, so I'm just going to close this tab now, and then I'm going to come to account, and under this account section you will see an option which is named as unlink this PC. If you click on unlink this PC, it's going to tell me something that your OneDrive files will stop syncing, locally available files will remain on this device while only online files will be removed. Okay, so if you are not sure that some of your files might not be available in this PC that are available in your OneDrive, you would not click unlink account right away. Just hit cancel, go back to sync and backup, just scroll down, and at the very end you will see another option which is advanced settings. Click on it, and again at the very bottom you will see a section which is files on demand, and there is an option there which is download all files. If you click on download all files, what this basically does is it would download all the files on your OneDrive that are not currently in your PC. So if you just click continue, okay, so yes, as you can see that now all the status are in green, that is all the files are downloaded. Okay, great. So now I'm just going to cancel it. Since I have downloaded all the files from OneDrive, just I'm going to follow the previous process, that is go to account, unlink this device, and I'm going to click on unlink. That is it. Now you can see that our OneDrive has some sort of a cancelled icon in here, but that is not it. It can still get reinitiated when the windows get started, right? So in this taskbar, right click on it and go to the task manager, and you will see an option called startup apps. Under this startup apps, you can see OneDrive, right? So this status is disabled because in my PC I already had disabled it way long before, but you might see a status that it is enabled. So what you need to do is you would have to just right click on it and click on disable, so it would prevent OneDrive from getting started automatically when you switch on your computer. Okay, so since we have disabled it, there is one final step, that is we would go to our Windows icon and we would click on control panel. So if we click on control panel, you will see control panel here. If we click it, we are going to the search option and we are going to search for schedule. So if I just going to write schedule, okay, so you will see an option which is Windows Tools, Schedule Tasks. So just click on Schedule Tasks. Right, so this kind of a pop-up shows up and there is an option called Schedule Task Library. If you just click on it, you would see, let me just expand it. So you would see that there are some OneDrive schedule tasks as well. Okay, so we are going to just disable it one by one. So just right click on it, disable, right click on it, disable, right click on it, disable. Okay, so that is how you can completely remove OneDrive and disable the right way, and it won't bother you after Windows gets updated. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.